What's up guys, it's Terry here from Cartronics. Today we're going to be installing an abundance of XKGLOW lights on this 2015 Nissan Titan. Let's get right into it. Let me show you what's going on. Alright, here we have XKGLOW's 15 to 18 inch adjustable wheel ring light kit. In this kit we have 4 wheel rings, the extensions for the wheel rings, junctions, an RGB controller, and that's that. Alrighty, here we have the rear wheel. I want to show you how we mount this thing. There's 3 mounting locations. Here's the first one. Second one here. And here's the third one here. Before you put your wheel back on, it's always a good idea. Go ahead and power up your light. Just make sure all colors are good. Also, another thing is that there's a little lip here. This is for the front. I have seen people in the past that have mounted this to the back, and basically this is just to hide so you don't see the actual strip. You just see the reflection on the wheel. But yes, in the past I have seen people mount this completely flip-flopped, and then it just looks silly. Alright, well that wraps up XKGLOW wheel ring installation. Wheel rings can be a bit tricky and they vary from vehicle to vehicle. And if the wheel rings aren't installed properly, it can cause damage to the wheel, to the rotor, to the light itself. So unless you're a real handyman, I would leave this one up to the professionals. Thanks for watching and come see us at Cartronics.